In 2026, modular kitchens will become the ultimate solution for compact homes and apartments. They maximize every inch of space while keeping your kitchen stylish, functional, and easy to maintain. Unlike traditional kitchens that often waste corners or create clutter, modular kitchens are designed with smart layouts and customized storage solutions that fit perfectly into modern lifestyles. In this video, we'll cover 100 small modular kitchen design ideas that will inspire your next renovation or home makeover. From space-saving layouts to trending color palettes, storage hacks, and smart technology, this list has everything you need to create a modern kitchen that fits your lifestyle perfectly. So, if you've been dreaming of a kitchen that's not only functional but also stunning, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Straight-line compact modular kitchen. U-shaped modular design. U-shaped modular layout. Parallel galley modular kitchen. Corner optimized kitchen units. Breakfast counter extension. Wall-mounted modular shelves. Overhead cabinets with frosted glass. Pull-out pantry storage. Slim vertical drawers. Foldable countertop extension. Rolling shutter cabinets. Thin modular shelving. Closed cabinets with hidden handles. Sliding cabinet doors. Magnetic wall organizers. Under-sink storage cabinets. Corner carousel units. Modular kitchen with pocket doors. Loft cabinets for extra storage. White glossy modular finishes. Matte black modular designs. Neutral beige and gray tones. Two-tone modular cabinets. Bold color accents. Wooden finish laminates. High-gloss acrylic modular panels. PVC modular cabinets. Thinless steel modular kitchen. Eco-friendly bamboo finish. Compact induction cooktop unit. Built-in microwave cabinet. Wall-mounted chimney unit. Concealed refrigerator cabinets. Dishwasher integration. Slim tall unit for appliances. Modular spice rack pullouts. Knife holder drawers. Modular cutlery tray units. Under-counter lighting. LED strip lighting under shelves. Pendant lights over counters. Smart touchless faucets. Motion sensor cabinet lights. Modular breakfast table pull-out. Compact modular dining extension. Fold-down wall dining unit. Multi-utility trolley storage. Modular rolling island. Slim island with storage. Two-tier modular countertop. Glass backsplash modular panels. Mosaic backsplash finish. Quartz countertop finish. Granite countertop modular steel. Marble finish laminates. Thinless steel worktop. Compact double sink unit. Single bowl deep sink. Corner sink modular design. Smart modular oven integration. Rotating modular shelves. Pull-out bottle racks. Slim modular tray dividers. Twin rack for jars. Hidden trash cabinet. Modular compost bin unit. Chalkboard finish cabinet door. Matte pastel modular panels. Bold red modular kitchen. Yellow and white combo kitchen. Teal and gray modular tones. Olive green modular cabinets. Blush pink modular finish. Gold accent handles. Copper finish modular taps. Modular stone cladding backsplash. 3D wall tiles behind counters. Vertical subway tile backsplash. Herringbone backsplash style. Smart modular vent system. Slim modular chimney hoods. Glass modular partitions. Sliding glass kitchen door. Wooden sliding partition. Plan modular kitchen. Studio-style compact kitchen. Small modular kitchen bar unit. Compact modular utility corner. Modular laundry plus kitchen combo. Hidden foldable ironing unit. Smart charging station and cabinets. Modular display shelves with lighting. Open modular crockery display. Compact modular wine rack. Mini modular coffee station. Built-in modular oven plus grill. Multi-layer modular drawer system. Ultra slim tall pantry unit. Space-saving hidden modular pantry. And that wraps up our list of 100 small modular kitchen design ideas for 2026. From sleek layouts to smart storage hacks, from bold finishes to compact functionality, these designs prove that even the smallest kitchen can feel stylish, efficient, and modern. Remember, a modular kitchen isn't just about beauty, it's about creating a space that works for you. Whether you love to cook daily meals, host friends, or simply want a clutter-free home, the right design can make your kitchen the heart of your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing interior design inspirations. Thank you so much for watching.